Students, today we will do fine motor skill development activity. I have made some figures here with the red, green and blue color and 3 colorful doors. These are the floor door. I have added color blue, green and red door. Now I will make the first figure. First one there is red. So with the red door I will make the figure. And then the green one. And the blue one at last. See, this figure and the figure in the paper is exactly same. Now I will go on making the sequence of the color same as given in this paper.